Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but unfortunately not today. I'm trying something very new in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, but I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, wow. Let me get through what I made. Garlic butter shrimp with sauteed veggies and creamed mashed potatoes. Robin says the shrimp is so good that it could beat out my shrimp scampi. Now that is a tall order. Robin has loved my shrimp scampi for over 2 decades. This was a very good meal. If you download the recipe, make sure you look at my notes because it's going to make it change. Yeah. Mashed potatoes are mashed potatoes. There was nothing special about those. I didn't follow the recipe. I did my mashed potatoes. The veggies, simple. Keep it simple. Yeah. I only used red and yellow bell peppers. Robin can't eat green. They make her ill. But you just follow the notes. Now tonight, I've had this idea since about Christmas, and I'm finally going to put it into action. Tonight, I am doing Bulgogi sausage meatloaf. You heard that right. Sausage meatloaf with bulgogi, which is Korean. I just did the Korean meatballs, the bulgogi Korean meatballs. There's some of that is in this. And then I was listening to a TV show, and they mentioned oiled potatoes because that's what helped France back in the Louis days before he got his head cut off. The French did not trust potatoes. They thought they were poisonous because the leaf of the potato plant and the leaf of nightshade are very similar. So a cook / chef decided to have a banquet of just potatoes. And who better for the people to trust than their king? So basically, I'm not even attempting the French. I can barely get through Spanish and all the other languages I've tried in the last 9 months. But basically, it's a French potato salad. This is extremely simplistic, but it looks yummy. And there are some modern twists, which I will add later on in the day. Then I did a little bit of research and came up with a carrot recipe from the same time period. And I'm going to attempt this. Carottes, Vichy with citrus and spice. Ooh, I love carrots. I love cooked carrots. They're yummy. If you cook them right, they're still a little crunchy. Yeah. So that's the menu tonight. So let's get to it. We got some Italian style pork sausage, pork mince, eggs, panko breadcrumbs. It's garlic day here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Diced red onion, which this is left over from yesterday. This is an Asian pear. The pear I had a week or two ago was actually a red pear, but an Asian pear. Some celery, which I'll dice. Brown sugar. I'm just going ahead and kind of cheat and use some ground ginger, some soy sauce, some sesame oil. So then the sauce, if you recall, soy sauce, sesame oil, more brown sugar, honey, rice vinegar, mirin, and I'm going to add that these are actually left over from Christmas. These are black and white sesame seeds, And I'm going to thicken this with a cornstarch slurry. The potatoes are fairly easy. Like I said, I'm going to use some fingerlings that I have left over from Christmas. Oil, oiled potatoes, yeah, oil. You need a vinegar, so I'm going to go with a champagne vinegar. Hey, why not? An ode to France. Some Dijon mustard, and there's some other little things in it, but it's nothing big. Parsley. But you can serve the potatoes, this potato salad, room temp or cold. The carrots, real simple. About 12 ounces of carrots, butter, orange juice, a little bit of cumin. If you like a little bit of heat, go ahead and use some red pepper flakes. The garnish is not represented here, and also the orange zest. So as you can see, I have a fun day ahead of me, prep-wise, cooking-wise, and just all-out fun here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen today. I love days like this. They're just so inspiring to me, and it gets my creative juices working. Yeah. All right. Big news. My first tutorial, 3 colors of peppers, something like that, tutorial 3 color peppers, premieres at noon today. It's cross-platform. So take a look. It's about a minute long. That's it. 1 minute. But you learn something about bell peppers. All right. On this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, my friends, have fun cooking.